Hi guys, I just got finished sweeping and mopping my hardwood floors. Now it's time to rejuvenate. I just made a video not too long ago showing y'all how I mop my hardwood floors with the electric mop. You can check that video out up here. So now it's time to make these floors shine like a diamond. So I'm going to show you the before and after. I'm going to use it on my hardwood floors as well as my stone floors. My daughter is going to have a party tomorrow, so these floors have got to shine. So we're going to be using my electric mop. I've got some fresh new pads. We're just going to pop them on here. We are going to be using the Rejuvenate Wood Floor Restorer. It's a gloss finish. I found this at my local Lowe's home improvement store. It was a little pricey, starting at $19. Let's see if it's worth it. As soon as I tipped the bottle over, the liquid ran out. It's extremely runny, so you have to be careful about how much you pour. It says it makes the floors look new again. Let me take this opportunity to thank you, my returning subscribers, and my new followers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. Ooh wee, look at that shine. That's gorgeous. Yeah, I think it's party ready. I love how the floors are sparkling. Okay, loves, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more updates.